forest, the mangrove, they are playing an important role in our ecosystem, whereby they have to stabilize the bank of the lakes from erosion. The files in the bank should be strong. And these pencil roots that you see now, they are the roots of the mangrove. So we call them pencil. They're called the pencil roots on your marticle. Some people call them the area roots. All they do, they just go down to keep these trees strong and go all the way up again. And they're doing that so that if there are tidal waves, at the time when the lake was linked to the sea, there used to be tidal waves. Alright. And then so what normally happens is that when the tidal wave flushes on top of the roots, they manage to capture a very tiny layer of oxygen. So they are alive, they help these trees to breed. Okay. They help these trees to breed. Moreover, more interestingly, is that these trees, they can be able to grow in salty systems. And how do they do that? How do they manage to drink fresh water? They have to suffocate one of their branches. Okay, so in other words, they communicate among their branches and find the branch that is not doing its job well and say, okay, you lazy bastard, you must hold the whole content salt for us. So that branch will go dry, it will be suffocated.
And then so the other one will be
survive. We'll have the fresh water. So the one branch is used as a filter for salt. It must filter the whole salt so that the whole other portion of the branch get what? Fresh water. Oh, purple.
It is a purple.
You tell them how roots are coming up from where?
They're from these trees.
Oh,
the white mangroves.
Oh.
Yeah, white mangroves. Alright. Alright.
We are